Hi guys, I'm Max. Welcome to ALFA Tech News. Today we will talk about Samsung Galaxy S22. The Samsung Galaxy S22 should offer a new look and plenty of upgrades. The Samsung Galaxy S22 won't come around for a long while yet. The Samsung Galaxy S22 won't come around for a long while yet. That being said, we've already seen some leaked upgrades we could see from the company's next flagship. This includes a possible under-display camera, a thinner design, and even better 8K video recording. And as good as the Galaxy S21 is, especially the cameras on the Galaxy S21 Ultra, there's definitely room for improvement. This is especially true because the Galaxy S22 will be competing with the iPhone 13 by the time Samsung releases this device. Here's all the early rumors for the Samsung Galaxy S22 and what we want to see from this series. Samsung Galaxy S22 release date. The Samsung Galaxy S22 will likely launch in early 2021. Samsung moved up the release date of the Galaxy S21 from its typical February timeframe to January 29th. Pros and cons. It's not clear whether Samsung will be as aggressive this time around. The last Friday in January 2022 is January 28th, if Samsung sticks to a similar timeframe for the Galaxy S22. Samsung Galaxy S22 price. We haven't seen many rumors on the Galaxy S22 price yet, but we anticipate that Samsung will keep the prices similar to the Galaxy S21 lineup. The company reduced the cost for all three models by $200, and we don't see prices going back up. So if Samsung stays consistent, the Galaxy S22 will cost $799. The Galaxy S22 Plus will be $999, and the Galaxy S22 Ultra will be priced at $1,199. It will be interesting to see whether Samsung introduces a lower-cost Galaxy S21 FE sometime between now and the S22's launch, as it did with last year's Galaxy S20 FE rollout. Samsung Galaxy S22 under-display camera. The biggest change likely coming to the Galaxy S22 is an under-display camera. This would enable a true full-screen design without a traditional punch hole at the top of the display. According to Let's Go Digital, Samsung has filed a patent for a punch hole camera with sub-display, and an internal pop-up display covers the selfie camera when it's not in use. Given that the iPhone 13 is rumored to still include a notch, even if it's smaller than the notch on the iPhone 12, this design change could give Samsung a notable advantage. A leak from MauriQHD on Twitter says that the Samsung Galaxy S22 will feature a thinner design than the Galaxy S21. However, this may result in smaller batteries. Battery size is not the only way to achieve longer battery life, but there could be a trade-off for a sleeker look. On the camera front, Samsung is reportedly testing the ability to shoot 8K video at 60 frames per second. For the Galaxy S22, 8K video. This would be an improvement over the Galaxy S21 Ultra, which maxes out at 24 frames per second for 8K video. Granted, there are very few people who own 8K TVs, as they are prohibitively expensive, but this upgrade would result in a more future-proof phone. Samsung Galaxy S22 what we want to see. With plenty of time between now and the S22's launch, we've got a wish list of features we hope Samsung will incorporate. A true full-screen design. This is rumored to be coming true, so it's not a big ask. We'd like to see a full-screen design for the Galaxy S22 with a front camera that disappears when you don't need it. We'd also like to be able to use apps in full-screen mode without having to dig into settings as you do now with some apps and games. A sharper display. Samsung dropped the resolution on the Galaxy S21 and Galaxy S21 Plus from Quad HD to 1080p, likely in an effort to save cost. But it would be nice if the sharpest resolution wasn't a Galaxy S22 Ultra exclusive feature this time around. S Pen support. For every Galaxy S22 right now, only the Galaxy S21 Ultra supports the S Pen as an option, while the Galaxy S21 and Galaxy S21 Plus do not. So if Samsung is serious about adding S Pen support to more devices, providing a digitizer for all three Galaxy S22 models would be welcome. Faster charging. After offering a 45W charger option on the Galaxy S20 Ultra, Samsung stepped away from that perk for the Galaxy S21 lineup. However, a leak points to Samsung releasing a 65W charger, and we hope that it supports the Galaxy S22 lineup. Longer battery life. The Galaxy S21's battery life wasn't bad, but it could be better. On the Tom's Guide battery test, the regular Galaxy S21 lasted 9 hours and 53 minutes when web surfing over 5G, but that dipped all the way down to 6:31 with adaptive display mode on. The Galaxy S21 Ultra fared better, as it endured for 11 hours and 25 minutes in 60Hz mode and 10:07 in adaptive mode. Keep in mind that the adaptive display on the S21 Ultra is more dynamic, as it can scale down to 10 Hz, as opposed to 48 Hz for the S21 and S21 Plus, so it would be nice if Samsung graced the S22 and S22 Plus with the same refresh rate range as the Ultra for its next phones. Better cooling. Some Galaxy S21 users and reviewers have complained that the Galaxy S22 can run quite warm under heavy workloads or when gaming for longer stretches, so it would be good to see a better cooling solution for the Galaxy S22. Bring back microSD. The Galaxy S21 saw the removal of the microSD card slot, much to the chagrin of many users and fans. While Samsung didn't provide reasoning for this, we expect it might have something to do with keeping the S21 costs reduced as much as possible. However, that doesn't mean we don't want to see expandable storage come back in the Galaxy S22. Samsung was one of the last bastions of this feature in the flagship market after all. So guys, this was all known information at the moment. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like, subscribe, click to bell. Max was with you.